Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today, let's learn how to use modal verbs correctly in everyday Filipino family conversations. Let's get started. Modal verbs are very useful in everyday conversations, even in Filipino family settings where English is often mixed with Cebuano/Tagalog. The key is to use them naturally to express ability, permission, request, advice, and obligations. Here's a simple practical guide you can use for teaching your students. Number 1. What are modal verbs? What are modal verbs? Modal verbs are helping verbs like can, could, may, might, must, should, will, would. They come before the main verb. I can cook. I can cook. I can to cook. This is wrong. Number 2. Everyday Filipino family examples. Everyday Filipino family examples. A. Ability, can/could. Use can for present ability, could for past ability. I can wash the dishes. I can wash the dishes. When I was young, I could help Lola cook. When I was young, I could help Lola cook. Very common at home when sharing chores. Very common at home when sharing chores. B. Permission, can/may. Permission, can/may. Use can, informal, or may, more polite. Use can for informal or may for more polite. Can I go outside, ma? Can I go outside, ma? May I use your phone? May I use your phone? Filipino kids often say, can I at home? Filipino kids often say, can I at home? C. Request, can/could, would. Use could and would to sound more polite. Use could and would to sound more polite. Can you help me? Can you help me? Could you pass the rice? Could you pass the rice? Would you clean your room? Would you clean your room? Perfect for respectful family talk. Perfect for respectful family talk. D. Obligation, must/have to. Use this for rules or responsibilities. You must finish your homework. You must finish your homework. We have to visit grandma. We have to visit grandma. Parents use this often. Parents use this often. Advice, should/ought to. Use for giving suggestions. Use for giving suggestions. You should sleep early. You should sleep early. You shouldn't eat too much junk food. You shouldn't eat too much junk food. F. Future/decisions. Will/would. I will cook dinner tonight. I will cook dinner tonight. I would help, but I'm busy. I would help, but I'm busy. Number 3. Mix Filipino English very real life. This is how families actually talk. This is how families actually talk. Ma, can I go to my friend's house? Ma, can I go to my friend's house? You should finish your assignment first. You should finish your assignment first. Kuya, can you help me? Kuya, can you help me? We must leave early tomorrow. We must leave early tomorrow. Common mistakes to avoid. Common mistakes to avoid. This is wrong. She can't cook. She can't cook. This is wrong. And this is correct. She can cook. She can cook. Wrong. He must go. He must go. Correct. He must go. He must go. Wrong. I will to help. I will to help. Correct. I will help. I will help. Mini practice, great for students. Mini practice, great for students. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Answer. Can or could you help me with my homework? Can or could you help me with my homework? Number 2. Answer. You should clean your room. This is an advice. You should clean your room. Number 3. I can cook adobo. This is ability. I can cook adobo. And number 4. We must or we have to visit Lola tomorrow. We must or we have to visit Lola tomorrow. Here are extra quizzes to help students use modal verbs naturally. Quiz set 1. Chose the correct modal. Chose the best answer. Number 1. Blank, you help me carry this bag? A. Must. B. Can. C. Should. Answer is letter B. Can you help me carry this bag? Number 2. You blank finish your homework before watching TV. A. Can. B. May. C. Should. Answer is letter C. You should finish your homework before watching TV. Number 3. When I was a child, I blank climbed trees. A. Could. B. Can. C. Must. Answer is letter A. When I was a child, I could climb trees. Number 4. Blank, I borrow your pen? A. Must. B. May. C. Should. Answer is letter B. May I borrow your pen? Number 5. We blank visit grandma this weekend. Family plan. A. Might. B. Can. C. Must. Answer is letter C. We must visit grandma this weekend. Quiz set 2. Fill in the blanks. Use can, could, should, must, will. Number 1. I blank help you with your project later. Answer: I will help you with your project later. Number 2. You blank say po and opo to elders. Answer is: you should say po and opo to elders. Number 3. Blank you open the door for me. Answer: could or can you open the door for me? Number 4. We blank wake up early tomorrow. Answer: we must wake up early tomorrow. And number 5. I blank swim when I was 5 years old. Answer: I could swim when I was 5 years old. Quiz set 3. Everyday family situations. Choose the best modal. Number 1. Mom, blank I go outside. A. Must. B. Can. C. Should. Answer is letter B. Mom, can I go outside? Number 2. You blank eat too much candy. A. Shouldn't. B. Can't. C. Must. Answer is letter A. You shouldn't eat too much candy. Number 3. Blank you please pass the rice. A. Must. B. Could. C. May. Answer is letter B. Could you please pass the rice? Number 4. We blank clean the house before visitors arrive. A. Can. B. Must. C. Might. Answer is letter B. We must clean the house before visitors arrive. Number 5. I blank cook dinner tonight. A. Will. B. Should. C. May. Answer is letter A. I will cook dinner tonight. Quiz set 4. Fix the mistake. Correct the sentence. Number 1. She can't cook. Corrected sentence. She can cook. Number 2. He must finish his work. Corrected sentence. He must finish his work. Number 3. I will to help you. Corrected sentence. I will help you. Number 4. You should to study harder. Corrected sentence. You should study harder. Number 5. We can't go now. Corrected sentence. We can go now. Quiz set 5. Role play fun activity. Give students roles: mom, dad, ate, kuya, child. Situation 1. Asking permission. Shouldn't A ask to go outside? Shouldn't B parent response? Example, can I go outside? Can I go outside? B, you must finish your homework first. You must finish your homework first. Situation 2, giving advice. Giving advice. You should sleep early. You should sleep early. You shouldn't play too much games. You shouldn't play too much games. Situation 3, offering help. Offering help. Can I help you? Can I help you? I will wash the dishes. I will wash the dishes. Bonus. Challenge. Make your own. Make your own. Ask students to write 3 sentences using can, should, must. Example, I can clean my room. I can clean my room. I should respect my parents. I should respect my parents. I must do my homework. I must do my homework. So there you go, guys. This video answer about how to use modal verbs correctly in everyday Filipino family conversations. Thanks for watching.